In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload and share files in Dropbox. Whether it's photos, document or video, you will learn step by step how to do it quickly and share them with anyone. So first of all, open your browser and simply search Dropbox. Okay, so this is Dropbox official website. Here you need to tap on Get Started. As you can see, there are many other plans available here as well. You can choose any of them if you want. Here I will choose Basic Free Plan. Okay, simply tap on Get Basic. So this is the sign in page of Dropbox. If you're not signed in yet, you will need to enter your email address and password to log in. You can also log in with the Google. Okay, so here I'm going to log in with the Google. You can log in the way you like. So I have logged in, and after that it's showing an interface like this. It's asking what you want to use Dropbox for, personal, work or school. You can choose whichever option fits you best. I'm selecting personal, so simply tap on personal. Now it's asking me to install Dropbox, but don't worry, you can skip this step. Simply click on skip step. Now as you can see, my Dropbox is successfully open. Now the main part is come, that how can you upload and share a file. So to upload, first you need to tap on this upload section. Here you get into option files and folder. You choose whatever you want. Then I will here simply click on files. For an example, I will choose this file, then simply select the file, and as you can see, the file is uploading now and the file is successfully uploaded. Now you know about how can you upload the file. Now let's see how can you share this file. Okay, simply tap on share and copy the link of the file and share it with the person you want to send it to. Okay, so as you can see, our link is copy. You can manage the link from here too. Here you get an option about expiration, require password, disable download. If you need to enable, you can easily tap on enable button. Okay, so now I'll tell you that how can you share your file through your email. Let's tap on share, tap on add people, write an email address of the person whom do you want to share with a file. For an example, I will write here. From here you can write a message or a description. Okay, then simply tap on share. And guys, my file is successfully sent. So that's how you can easily upload, share and send your file using Dropbox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.